Hey kids! Today, we're going to learn about how toys are made. Are you ready to find out the science behind your favorite toys? Let's get started. First, you need to know what the toy is made of. Some toys are made of plastic, while others are made of wool or fabric. The material used will determine the next steps in the toy making process. For plastic toys, the process starts with melting plastic pellets and injecting them into a mold. The mold is then cooled and the toy is removed. This process is called injection molding. For wooden toys, a piece of wood is carved into the desired shape using tools like saws and chisels. Then, the toy is sanded smooth and painted or stained to add color. Fabric toys are made by cutting and sewing fabric pieces together to create the desired shape. Stuffs such as cotton, polyester, or other materials are used to fill the toy and give it its shape. Once the toy is made, it's time for quality control. The toy is tested to make sure it meets safety standards and works properly. If everything looks good, the toy is packaged and sent off to be sold. So there you have it, kids. That's the process of how toys are made. Isn't science amazing? I hope you learned something new today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational science videos. We'll be exploring more fascinating topics and discovering the wonders of the world together. Thanks for watching and see you next time.